I'm sure you're all aware about the changes in India's new coastline, approximately 1109 kilometers, approximately 48 to 50% increase हुआ है length में. It increase हुआ है, it's more of a, what's called as a measurement artifact, a technique of measurement, where we're using more detailed cameras, lidar mapping use कर रहे हैं, using electronic navigation charts और ENCs use कर रहे हैं along with drones. So because of the measurement techniques हमारा length पड़ा है, ना कि हमने actual land add किया है. Now these facts to understand from geographical perspective, मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ that these islands जो पहले include नहीं होते थे, offshore islands, because of the calculation based on low tide level, अब वो islands calculate होते हैं because measuring from the high tide level. जब low tide होता है, the islands they get linked with the land, which is then not considered as island, and the irregularities are evened off with a smooth line. But when they've got high tide levels, the connecting lands they get submerged, and then the islands stand out more prominently. So now on, the calculations of the coastline is done on the basis of high tide level, ना कि low tide level. और ये high tide की वजह से some of the islands which have become very prominent are a group of islands called as Monroe Island. ये मालाबार कोस्ट में है, along the mouth of river Kallada. We also have Vipin Island, again along the Malabar coast, not far away from Kochi. The islands called Hope Island near Kakinada, Godavari के mouth में. We have islands called as Bhavani Island, जो Krishna basin का part है, in the lower parts of river Krishna in the deltaic region. We also have some other islands. For example, we have added Chorao Island, Diwar Island, जो गोवा का part है, and part of the Mandovi and the Zuari river system. We added the island also called as Salsette Island, जो technically Mumbai है. It has now been reclaimed. तो उसका भी coastline हम add कर देते हैं नए coastline में. These are the islands along the coast. We have added islands along the river Ganga mouth. For example, Ghormar Island, we have got Mausuni Island. और इस calculations में we don't add islands like Bajuli Island. तो ये जो लोकेशंस आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे. इसके अलावा कुछ और ऑफशोर आइलैंड जो वेरी फार अवे थे, बट दे वर नॉट कैलकुलेटेड इन द कैलकुलेशंस. Even islands like Agati hai, Kavarati hai, Barren Island hai, some of the smaller islands of Nicobar group, and one island Kutch में है called Spirotan Island. ये सारे islands पहले ऐड नहीं किया जाते थे, अब वो ऐड हो गए हैं. And just to tell you as part of reminder, if you look at the UNCLOS, the calculation of the baseline, that continues to be done on the low tide level, not high tide level. The baseline and the calculation of territorial waters है या EZ है, वो अभी भी low tide भी किया जाता है. And high tide, however, is important for coastal regulation, zonation, and also important for disaster management prediction of the tropical cyclone and storms.